Oga David. Sorry, I say make I ask you, you do okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Because it be like saying the same sickness when they do other, now they do you so.
I don't understand. What are you talking about? Is that sick?
You know, sir, not be doctor, but from the way I dey observe her, man, he be like.
Where is she now?
She dey inside. Make it not be the same thing when they do Kemute for worry. When we come, they say Kemute they sick. We don't know say na Akpians, now he don't shop. Now when he come, they confess witch. Now we come know say Kemute.
Sorry? Who is the witch?
No, Kemute for worry. Na Kemute. No.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed every bit of it. I really do appreciate.
I'm glad you enjoyed the truth. And I'm happy I didn't disappoint you.
Yes. I am so happy. My birthday gift was fulfilled, Lisa.
I couldn't have turned this down. Ada and Lizzie have already told me that they decided to give you a gift, and that was this outing. That's me hanging out with you.
Oh, yeah.
I hope it's making you feel better.
Yes, I am happy. You know, you are such a very pleasant person to be with, David. You're caring, you're a wonderful man. And I must say, every moment spent with you is what it's, at least it brings us together and closer, you know. David, I don't know if it's right for a lady to say this, but I must say it. I am beginning to fall for you.
Carry you will always be in my memory.
Don't do this. Don't do this. I don't know how to swim.
2, 3.
She was seated here earlier and asked me to get her a glass of water.
I guess she must be in her room. Maybe. Let me have the water. Okay. Here's the water I asked Maka to bring for you. What bothers my little sister? The expression on your face sends a signal that all is not well. What is it?
I'm having a headache. If you don't mind, I'd love to be left alone. I need to cool off my head. Please.
Have you had any medications?
Not yet.
It's okay. When you're ready to talk, I'll be in my room. Okay. Okay.
What is the hidden truth? Hidden truth, yeah, to say. My ears are itching me, itching, yeah. Oh yeah. What is the hidden truth? Hidden truth, yeah, to say. My ears are itching me, itching, yeah. The signs are not in vain. I know something is fishy. The signs are not in vain. What could be the secret you hiding from me? They are not in vain. Why not open up?
What now? Could it be that I left Lucy's house and she went to pick a fight with Ada? What? My head is just filled up with different thoughts, popping one after the other. Oh, I think I need to go and take a shower and relax before I get mad. Oh.
I have some beverages at the back seat of the car. Okay. Just help me bring them in, okay?
Alright.
By the way, is Ada at home?
Yes, ma'am. She's in her room.
Good. Go and call her. I need her to do some calculations for me. I'm here.
Brother JB. Please help me carry those stuff inside here, please.
You know, say, nothing goes for nothing, no. Even for free time, nothing is free. I go help you, but you know, these days I can't notice the hand when you take they give me food don't change. The food, gas you can't take the put on. So now, for today on, you go put her for 2 plates. So that I go get weight.
No problem. Just help me out.
Not be no problem, oh. Agreement is agreement, oh. Not be when I don't help you finish now. The next thing you can say one thing happen. See, you get one place where they call in Tabua. Now there they go swear for people.
Nothing will happen, I beg. You too like food again. It's not as if you are getting fat after it. Don't worry, I'll give it to you.
Hello? Yes, don't worry. My daughter is trying to do the calculations for me. Once she's done, I'll send the quotation to you. Okay, thank you. Sister, are you there? Sister Ada? Sister?
Amaka, what is it?
Mom said I should call you.
Tell I'm coming.
Okay. Mother? Are you alright? What is wrong with you?
I'm not feeling too strong.
Have you seen the doctor? I had wanted you to do some calculations for me, but since you're not feeling fine, it's okay. Amaka will help me. You need to go and rest. After that, you go and see the doctor, okay? Ada! Hi! Ada, come out! Your father is still waiting in the car. What took you so long?
I was trying to gather all my things. I don't forget anything.
I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy that you're going to the university now. But I want you to know that the higher you go, the tougher it becomes. University is not like secondary, no. Primary schools, it is different. So you need to study harder. Okay?
I know, Mom. I promise not to disappoint you.
I know. I believe you. I'm going to miss you.
I miss you too. Don't worry. I'll come from time to time to visit you.
The same promise your brother gave me and he never did. Because your father was sending money to him whether he asked or not.
Mom, you know he's a man. I'm a woman, I understand your feelings. I'll always come.
I believe you. Come. You know your father will be waiting for you. Promise me he will visit me regularly.
I promise, Mom, I will.
I love you.
You too.
Alright. Your father is in the car waiting before he starts shouting.
Dad, I am so happy. I'm so overwhelmed. I can't believe that me, Adore of yesterday, is on my way to the university. I'm so happy.
Well, that's our prayer answered. God has answered our prayers. But all I need from you is when you get to school, please, be studious. Take your studies serious. Don't join bad company. Avoid anything that will make you look like those lazy and lousy students. Please.
I know where I'm coming from, Dad. I promise not to let you and Mom down.
That's my daughter talking. You see, because you're my only daughter, I am ready to do anything for you. Anything that will make you happy.
Thank you, Dad. I wouldn't have asked for a better father.
And me too. I wouldn't have wished for a better daughter.
Thank you so much, Dad.
You're welcome.
Is this really the truth? Is this really the truth about me? Who do I share this with? Who?
Says, is there something you want to tell me? See, I am your brother, your elder brother. You can divulge anything to me, anytime. What is it? I don't want to see it. What is it? Please talk to me. Talk to me. What is it?
David, I am not who you think I am.
What? I don't understand.
I saw a flash on the floor. that looks exactly like mine.
Okay.
So I picked it. I wanted to go through the content to be sure if it is really mine. But what I saw got me so confused.
And what was that?
This looks like my flash.
Tells you I know your secret, the fake pregnancy of your wife. I had to follow you and your wife up, taking all these pictures because I was waiting for this day. And I shouldn't have done this hadn't been you helped me in the hospital when I requested for your help about my wife.
Actually, you swept this house as you claimed. You would have seen that flash. Kept somewhere around this sitting room.
Daddy, I didn't see any flash. If I did, I would have shown it to Sister Tao, but I did. If it was theirs.
Let me not search for this flash, Father. Because if I do, I will turn this house into a living hell for all of you. Especially you, Ada and David. Otherwise, somebody will see a flag and it suddenly turns to an essential commodity in this house. That will keep it without releasing it.
Dad, I heard you shouting about flash.
I was about to call you, Steph. I didn't know you were around the house.
Oh yes, I've been inside for a while now. Any problem?
Yes, I'm looking for my flash. It was somewhere around this place. Did you see it?
No, I didn't see it. Have you asked David?
Yes, I did. And David said he did see it.
Oh. Amaka, have you searched very well?
No, but when I was sweeping the house, I didn't see anything like that.
It's possible it fell after you swept the parlor and all of that. Just search again, okay? Go search that way, let me search it.
Okay.
Make sure you produce this flash, that's all I want.
Well, are you sure it's not in your room?
It's not in my room.
There's a flash here.
Where?
Where did you see it?
That side.
Dad, is this a flash you're looking for?
Thank you. Please forgive me the way I'm not there. I'm sorry.
I'm glad you found it.
Thank God.
So, but what actually is?
No, it's my flashes. You can go.
saw pictures of mom in a hospital with pregnancy. Some of those pictures were she and dad. Some were she with a boy of 3 years. At first, I thought it was the baby in her womb. But the voice note I listened to made me develop interest in the whole issue. So I followed that up on the matter. To see if my doubts were right. Today, I overheard Dad on the phone pleading with someone, begging him, seriously begging the person not to let me find out the truth. The person gave Dad an address, and I was familiar with the address because the place is very close to Victor's house. And then Dad told the person that he would get money across to him in 2 hours' time. Then
I know. I know. Yes. Oh. So, because you want to blackmail me, that's why you've been following me around. As if you planted a camera to monitor my movement and that of my family. That's wrong. Yes. By the way, how did you manage to get my daughter's number? It's my business because she is my daughter. No, please. Keep my daughter out of this. I wouldn't want her to know about this, please. Okay. I'll send the money. Just send me your location. "25 Uchenna Drive." I know of Uchenna Street. Okay. The one by Kingsway Superstores. Okay, I know the place. Please, just give me time. Give me 2 hours to arrange the money. I'll come over there.
I was so curious to know exactly what the real truth about me is.
Mr. Nathaniel Okoye, calm down, calm your nerves. I'm the only one that knows your little secrets. Yeah. Nobody should know that Ada is an adopted child. I cross my heart. Yeah, thanks doing business with you.
So, I went ahead of Dad to the police. So, you see, I am not the biological daughter of Mr. Nathan Okoye. He's not my father.
Are you sure this is true?
If it isn't true, why did Dad go to the place? And why did he give him money?
This is complicating. Because there's a secret Mom was talking about. That she doesn't want the history to repeat itself.
I don't know. David, I don't know. All I just want is to walk straight to Mom. Or better still wait for Dad to come back because I need to confront them. I need them to tell me who I am. I want to know who I am.
Just calm down. Calm down.
I want to know my parents.
It's okay,
I want to
just
know,
take-
David. I don't know what to think anymore.
Come on, take it easy.
I don't know what
Take it
to
easy.
do. What
See.
do you want me to do?
See, going to confront Mom and Dad is going to be a bad idea. Okay? I think I have an idea on how to find out who we truly are.
We?
Sorry. It's okay, I'll wait.
Fast, Amaka!
What is the hidden truth? Yeah, to say. My ears are itching me. Oh yeah. What is the hidden truth? Yeah, to say. My ears are itching me. The signs are not in vain. I know something is fishy. The signs are not in vain. What could be the secret you hiding from me? They are not in vain. Why not open up? Let me know what you think. They are not in vain.
What do I do? This is too It's too heavy for me. I don't know what to do. What do I do?
See, the heaviest burden we can carry are the thoughts in our head. You have to stay strong. And we don't have to let them know that we've known the truth. Yes.
Why?
Because for them to keep the secret away from us, they must have a reason. Yes. No matter what the case may be, I want you to know that they did not do it intentionally to hurt you. Okay? I want you to go in there, on the shower, allow the water to pour on you. You see yourself coming out a strong woman. You will be rejuvenated. You go in there and refresh yourself while I go prepare your favorites for you. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much. What would I have done if I don't have a brother like you? Thank you.
Thank God you have one. I'll be right back. Go take some shower. Let us see. I know how you're feeling about this right now. You just have to take it easy, okay?
No, you don't
But
understand.
please try and control yourself.
You have absolutely no idea how it feels after finding out the people you thought were your biological parents happens to be your foster parents. And they hid this away from me for years!
They are still your parent.
No, they're not. You're lucky. At least the DNA test proves that you are their biological son, while I am not. You know what? They are going to tell me who my biological parents are!
Ada, take it easy. I know Dad and Mom are not home now. But I do not want Jambul and Amaka to... they must not hear of this. Okay? They must not know about it. Just calm down, please. Just
Be in my room.
try and control yourself. Oh.
Why am I so unlucky? Why should I keep crying? Every day it's from one problem to the other. I tears upon tears every day. Oh, why me? Hey, oh, why me? Why is this happening to me?
It's me. Hey. How are you?
What is this?
It's breakfast.
What's up, Amaka?
She's there. She's okay.
I never knew you were good at things like this.
You know, I have to learn all those stuffs back then in school, and it's really helping me now.
Thank you.
It's okay. You're welcome. Hey, Mom told me that you have not been picking her calls since yesterday. If she calls again, try and pick her calls, okay? And that's on as well. I am taking Lizzie to her new shop to get some things. I will see you when I come back. Okay? Come on. Come on, eat. Baby, come on, eat. Are you okay? It's okay, you'll be fine, okay? Eat your food. Hello, Lizzie.
Hello, David. Where are you?
I'm at the hotel.
David, I'm being followed.
You've been followed? By who?
I don't know. I came down from the cab. After a while, I saw another cab right behind me. I noticed they were moving a little bit slow. After a while, two guys came down. I minded my business, but they were coming very fast. David, I ran, and they also ran. Not until I managed to escape. I saw this small shop, and some guys helped me. That was when they went back.
Are you being disturbed by anybody around there?
No.
Okay. Just please find your way out of that place, okay? I am waiting for you at the hotel.
Okay, please, David, hurry. Hurry, I'm very scared. I'm scared, please.
Good.
Victor, good afternoon.
Baby, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning. Are you sure you're fine?
Yeah. Yes, I'm fine.
I've been calling you for the past 2 days now, and you've not been taking my calls.
Sorry, I've been having a... We're having a hard time. Yeah. It's not something I can discuss with you over the phone.
Alright. Baby, please, can we go out so I can brighten up your day?
Okay. Come pick me.
Where? Your house?
Yes, my house.
No way. You know I can't stand the face of your parents.
Why? They traveled. I'm the only one at home.
Really? They traveled? Alright, send me your address again. But I'm not guaranteeing you of coming to your house.
Okay. If you're still uncomfortable, when you're on your way, let me know, so I'll come outside.
Yes, better. Yes, I prefer that one better.
Hello, Mom. Sorry I was on call. Yes, I saw your missed calls, but I was in a very noisy environment. I was busy. Shop? No, I didn't go. Maybe tomorrow. I can't go today, please. Bye.
I think Lucy is behind this.
No, I don't think it's Lucy. I'm sure it's one of those street boys. Maybe they got an information and just got back from abroad.
I have my reasons of suspecting her.
Which is?
She's been calling since yesterday, but I didn't pick up.
Okay, but why?
Yesterday wasn't pleasant for me. Yes. It's not as if I'm ignoring her calls, you know. So she might be thinking that I'm with you when she was calling, so I had to ignore her calls.
But we are not dating.
That is my point. She doesn't want to hear that at all.
Okay, I'll see her and talk to her myself.
No need. We don't have anything anymore.
You mean it's over between the both of you?
Yes. It's not working out. I mean, there's no need for us deceiving ourselves.
I see. I see.
Swinging. Hello.
Hello, Ada. Good afternoon.
Yeah, who's this?
It's me, Pat.
Oh, Pat. Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. Ada, I would like to see you if you don't mind.
Okay, I hope there is no problem because I'm about going to see Victor.
No, that's no problem. Okay, you know what? I would like to see you first before you could go and see Victor.
Alright. You sound as if something is wrong. Is there any problem? I asked again.
No, there is no problem. It's just that it's not something I want to talk to you on phone.
Okay. So where would you want me to meet you?
Okay, I will send the address to you now.
Alright, I'll be waiting.
Okay, I'm sending it right away. Otto, are you sure this is a good idea?
Pat, just calm down. I will not do anything.
Otto, I know. It's just that I don't want her to feel that we've been deceiving her all this while.
I know. But at least you clear your guilt. Clear your guilt and let him know the truth.
What truth?
That you're pregnant.
That is the problem. Yes, that is the problem. I don't think I have the courage to face that guy right now. Yes. Even if I have to face him, I should let Ada know first. You know how that guy behaves now.
Yeah, I know. I know he doesn't love you.
That's the point. He doesn't love me. Oh, what will I do?
That guy. I'm so angry with him. I had a vest for that guy, honestly.
It's okay, let me just send the address to Ada now before I forget. You know now.
It's alright. I was actually on my way to see Victor before you called. So I'll see you some other time, please. Okay?
Thanks for coming around.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Why am I so unlucky?
Oh. That's my girl. That's my baby. That's my baby. I know it's gonna make you feel good. I know. You need some? Some. Oh, come on.